Are you ready to unlock the real story behind your HubSpot form submissions? Today, I'm going to guide you through the exact steps to analyze your form data inside HubSpot so you can make smarter marketing decisions based on actual user activity. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to filter, compare, and report on your forms, giving you crystal clear insights on what's working, what's not, and where you can improve. Let's dive straight in. First, we'll head over to the marketing section, then to forms. This is your central hub for every form you've ever created. Think of it like the filing cabinet for your lead capture. Once you're here, look for the Analyze tab at the top. Clicking Analyze is like switching from simply filing away paperwork to actively studying it. Now, you're moving from collecting data to understanding it. Now, before you get lost in a sea of numbers, let's filter your data. Up in the top left, you'll find some handy quick filters. Here, you can set a date range. Maybe you want to see just last month, or perhaps you're curious about Q1's performance. You can also pick a specific form name, which is perfect if you want to zero in on, let's say, your newsletter signup versus your event RSVP form. But sometimes those quick filters aren't enough, especially as your database grows. This is where advanced filters come in. These give you much more control, letting you narrow results by contact lifecycle stage. Maybe you want to differentiate new leads from returning customers or other custom criteria unique to your business. For instance, you could isolate submissions from people in a particular industry or filter by geography. Take your time here. The more precisely you filter, the more valuable your insights will be. Scrolling down, you'll see a table listing all your forms. This section is like your dashboard, showing at-a-glance stats for every form: total views, submissions, and conversion rates. If you want to dig deeper, just click on any form name. Imagine you're a scientist. Clicking the form is like putting it under a magnifying glass. Here you'll find specific analytics for that form alone, such as which calls to action are converting best. It's incredibly useful when you want to fine-tune individual campaigns. Now, what if you want to compare several forms side by side? That's easy. Just check the boxes next to the forms you want and then click Compare Forms at the top. This is super helpful if you're running A/B tests or want to see which landing page form is outperforming others. You'll see metrics lined up next to each other, making trends and standout performers clear as day. Let's switch gears for a moment and talk about custom reports. For this, navigate over to Reporting, then Reports. You'll spot the Create Report button. Go ahead and click that. Select Custom Report next, which lets you build a report tailored exactly to your needs. Here's a tip. For forms analysis, set your primary data source to something form-related, like form submissions or form analytics, and hit Next. Now, you get to build your report by drag and dropping fields from the left sidebar. You might want the form name, number of submissions, or even conversion rate. Just drop these into the Configure tab. Think of this part as laying out the chapters in a book. You decide what's most important for your story. Once you're happy, you can save or share your report with your team, making it easy to communicate your findings and drive improvements. All right, that's a wrap. You've just learned how to filter, analyze, compare, and report on your form submission data in HubSpot. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any specific questions or run into any tricky spots. I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical HubSpot tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.